Hi guys, welcome to our channel. The game is Christmas cooking. After completing toast challenge, now we will play the challenge pancake making level number 28. Our game is Christmas cooking. Many customers come to our restaurant and they order different things like pancake juice. Our juice will be in strawberry flavor. And our pancakes will be two types of the topping, with the chocolate topping and with the kiwi sauce topping. Customer come to our restaurant and they ordered many things according to their requirements. A old lady is waiting for a kiwi topping pancake. A girl is come and she ordered 2 glasses of juice and 1 pancake. A man come to with the two types of pancake and 1 strawberry juice. Our challenge is to fulfill the customer demands. Our level is almost completed because I think so it is our last customer. Yes, our level number 28 is completed. Now it is time to move to the next level, which is a level number 29. Here in this level we also serve the same thing, 2 types of the pancake with the strawberry juice. A man ordered 2 simple pancakes. A girl ordered 2 types of different flavor pancakes. I am working very fastly to fulfill the customer demands. A girl in green dress ordered 3 types of pancake. A man ordered 2 types of the pancake. One is simple and the one is chocolate icing. A girl is waiting for his order. A boy come to our restaurant and he ordered 2 types of pancake. My friends, you can install this game from the Play Store by written Christmas cooking on the top. This level is completed. Move to the next level, which is the 30th level. Guys, this is the last level of the pancake maker. After this we will open a new restaurant. Here the many customers come and they order different things. Some like pancake and some like juices. I like chocolate pancake. Which type and which flavor of the pancake do you like? Please tell me in comment section. I am waiting for your comment. A girl ordered 3 pancakes, 2 with kiwi icing and 1 with chocolate icing. Our pancakes are ready now. Let's serve to the customers. A girl is looking in anger and a boy also looking in anger. Let's serve her fastly. Now she is looking happy. Our old lady is waiting for her order. Almost our this level is completed. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.